Millions of people are rushing to use Google's NotebookLM right this second. But what if I told you almost all of them are doing it completely wrong? You are likely leaving hours of free time on the table every single week. Welcome to this high-energy explainer. Today, we are breaking down 10 hidden hacks for power users that will absolutely transform how you use AI. If you're tired of feeling overwhelmed while everyone else sprints ahead, you need to hear this.
So, you probably think you know how this tool works, right? You upload a file, ask a question, get a neat little answer, and you're done. But by stopping there, you are missing out on so much. The stakes here are massive. Your free time, your daily workflow, and your overall productivity are all on the line. We're talking about the fundamental difference between working a little bit harder and working significantly smarter.
Right now, there is a massive divide in how people use this tech. Beginners are just dumping huge, messy PDFs into the system and begging for basic summaries. But that completely bottlenecks the tool's true potential. So today, we are officially upgrading you to a power user. We're going to replace hours of tedious manual research with automated, AI-powered knowledge systems that practically do the heavy lifting for you.
All right, let's jump right into part one. Data input and clutter, the cleanup phase. Because look, bad data always leads to bad answers.
People love to feed the AI these huge, chaotic files and just expect magic. But that just makes the AI lose context, or worse, hallucinate. So you need to use this 4-step compress, document, and delete loop to keep things clean. Step 1, upload your raw files, like a massive 100-page contract. Step 2, force the AI to extract the absolute core value by creating a highly detailed study guide or FAQ. Step 3, save that clean, condensed summary as a brand new source. And Step 4, delete the bulky originals. You've just compressed a chaotic library into a razor-sharp handbook. Now your AI runs faster, thinks clearer, and gives you incredibly precise answers. Moving on to part 2, automated content generation. Your data is officially clean, so let's put NotebookLM to work.
We all know reading massive industry reports takes forever, but clicking the audio overview feature creates this magical, natural-sounding podcast between two AI hosts discussing your exact material. But don't just stop at listening to it. Here is the ultimate power user hack. Take that generated audio and immediately prompt the AI to spin it into multiple tangible assets. From one single upload, you can get the top 10 actionable quotes, chapter summaries, email newsletter drafts, and a full week's worth of social media posts. Your one document upload just became an entire automated content calendar.
And this gets even crazier if you run a business or manage a team. Writing training manuals from scratch is a massive, soul-crushing time drain, but undocumented processes absolutely kill team efficiency. So try this instead. Simply upload a raw, unedited screen recording of a daily task. NotebookLM will analyze the video and instantly generate a professional, step-by-step standard operating procedure. No more writing manuals from scratch. You literally just record, upload, and deploy.
Now, NotebookLM isn't just a text reader. You can actually use the built-in studio tools to transform all that heavy research into instant, visually stunning summaries and presentation-ready assets. Formatting slides and building charts takes up way too much of your day, right? So let the AI do the heavy graphical lifting. Whether you're pitching a client or presenting to your boss, the AI instantly turns deep research into a streamlined, shareable summary, letting you focus purely on the big ideas.
Okay, part 3, supercharge your AI prompts and sources. You've got the assets, now we need to hack how you actually prompt the system. It is incredibly frustrating to craft a brilliantly detailed prompt only to get slapped with a hard character limit. But here is the ultimate workaround to beat that limit. Create a dedicated Google Doc and call it NotebookLM Task. Write out your massive, multi-step instructions in that doc, upload it as a source, and just tell the AI to execute the reusable workflow. You completely bypass the system limit, and you never have to type out those crazy instructions ever again.
Look, relying on just one PDF gives you super one-dimensional answers. Real experts combine 3 specific types of sources to create an absolute superbrain. Say you're learning a complex new marketing strategy. You upload official documentation for the foundational theory, case studies for real-world practice, and transcripts of YouTube tutorials for visual demos. By fusing those 3 distinct types together, the AI connects dry theory with practical reality, giving you dramatically richer insights than any single textbook ever could.
Most people waste so much time repeating the exact same formatting instructions in every single chat. Things like keep it brief, no jargon, use bullet points. Stop doing that. You can actually set a permanent personality or custom goal. Tell it to act like a strict university professor grading a paper, or maybe a skeptical editor. Set it once, and the AI permanently adopts that exact persona for every single response. It saves you countless keystrokes and guarantees the perfect tone every time.
And please stop asking basic, lazy questions like summarize this. The system is capable of so much more. Instead, challenge it. Ask things like, what important viewpoint is missing from this data? Or which of these sources fundamentally disagree with each other? Or even, what hidden patterns appear across all documents? Asking these provocative questions transforms NotebookLM from a basic summarizer into a deep-thinking research assistant that uncovers blind spots you completely missed. Finally, Part 4. Build your second brain. Let's tie all these hacks into a totally new way of organizing your digital life.
Starting with a massive blank notebook is incredibly intimidating, and it's exactly why most people give up. If you just dump everything into one place, the AI gets confused. So to fix this, use the research tools to gather authoritative documents and organize them into tightly focused, completely separate spaces. Build one specifically for marketing, one for investing, one for programming, and one for your studies. Treat every single notebook like you're hiring a private AI expert for that specific area of your life. No cross-contamination, just laser-focused brilliance.
The biggest takeaway from this entire explainer is this: a second brain is your personal AI knowledge operating system. It's a place where every document, note, and transcript you care about becomes perfectly searchable and seamlessly connected. When set up right, NotebookLM isn't just a PDF reader. It's an automated knowledge system that links ideas together in ways you'd never think of on your own. It will honestly make you wonder how you ever survived the modern workday without it.
So here is my final challenge for you. Which of these NotebookLM hacks are you going to deploy first? Are you going to build a second brain or try the compress and delete loop? If you learned something new today and want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button, subscribe for more fast-paced productivity hacks, and jump into the comments right now to tell me exactly which strategy you're implementing today. Stop leaving time on the table. Go build your second brain, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.